Good morning, Bhaktavachalam. Today we are going to do the exercise with the prana, the first exercise. This exercise name is transverse abdominis activation. This exercise will help to clear your toxins in digestive tract. It will increase your cardio rate. It will activate your core muscle. It will activate the transverse abdominis activation. So kindly use some mats or anything before going to this exercises. So this is the balloon concept. So when you are filling the air inside the balloon will expand. While taking out the air from the balloon will get contract. So the same thing, when you are taking a long breath inside, your stomach, your lungs, everything will be expand. When you are taking out carbon dioxide, the stomach will get into the shrink. So at least you can try for 10 to 15 repetition with the recovery. So let's see the exercises, how he was doing. The first we will start with the facing up. Ready? The long breathe in and long breathe out. So maximum inhale, maximum exhale. So once you finish, you can turn around. So in facing up, 15 into 3 repetitions with recovery, and lie sidewards, lateral side, and in the same position you are going to inhale and exhale. While inhale, your stomach will expand, while exhale, your stomach will crunch. So same 15 into 3 repetition. Once you finish, you can turn to the right side and you can do the same exercises. So minimum try for 10 to 15 repetition. So after this, you can go to the prone position like facing down. So in this facing down also, the long breathe in and long breathe out. Watch the spine, how it was expanding and going down. So maximum inhale, maximum exhale. So one of the good exercise to activate your transverse abdominis activation. Thank you. So watch this second exercises. Keep your legs to the shoulder level. If you have any knee pain, you can use pillow to place in that. So this is the cat and camel position. So give an arch in the spine and expand the spine. Tuck your core and expand. So while going down, inhale. While coming up, exhale. So it will erect your spine posture and it will increase your core strengthening and it will strengthen your lower back too. So one of the best exercise for every age category. So 15 into 3 repetition with recovery. So closely watch it, how it was doing. Great. Thank you. So third exercise. So comfortably go down. Make your hands straight, legs straight. So one of the best exercise for glute muscle and lower back muscle, quadratus lumbar. So in this, while coming up, inhale, while going down, exhale. So inhale, exhale, inhale and exhale. So one of the best exercise for low back pain, and this is the basic exercise with your own body strengthening the lower back. So kindly note the breath. While coming up, inhale. While going down, exhale. So 15 into 3 repetition. If you have capable to do 25 repetition, yes, of course you can do with 1 minute recovery, 3 to 5 sets. Thank you. See, in this position, your body should not lean forward. Shoulder level should be, you place your hands straight to the shoulder level and raise your hip and raise your leg. Watch out your down leg. The leg will be in the bend position. So you can flex your down leg. So let's see how you are saying. When going up, exhale. So this is one of the best exercise for lateral muscle. While doing this, the both lateral will be work. So once you finish, you can turn around and you can do for the alternate. So last exercise. Slowly go down and raise your hip. One of the best exercise to activate your hamstring, gluteus and low back. Maximum raise your hip, tuck your core, normal breathe in and breathe out. And you are going to do this exercises. Just watch it, how you are doing. Raise the hip, keep the hands to the lateral side and hold there. Minimum 30 seconds into 3 or 5 sets. If you are possible, you can do for the 1 minute also. And you can slowly wake up and sit down. So thank you for watching this video. Today we have strengthened the lower back muscles. Thank you.